Welcome to my channel Crockery and Cutlery Tales. In summers, the fresh and juicy mango fruity has captivated our hearts since few decades. Instead of buying from shops, let us try once preparing this at home using a very simple recipe, and this one I will be demonstrating in this particular video. This is a very simple recipe. It includes both the raw as well as ripe variety of mangoes. So I have taken one raw mango and two ripe mangoes for this drink. After chopping both of them into small pieces, I will blend them together along with sugar. Add sugar as per the sweetness of the mangoes. Now we have blended it into a smooth texture. This puree we will put it in a pan and cook for few minutes. Little bit of puree is still left in the mixing jar. That's why I will be adding water and pour it in the pan. We will stir the puree so that it does not stick to the pan as well as it gets mixed with the water. Fruity has a distinct tangy taste. To enhance this, I am adding little bit of lime juice. It has come to boil. Check the sweetness of the juice and if needed, add little bit sugar. It will hardly take 5 minutes for the mango puree to get boiled. The next part of our job is to strain the liquid using a sieve. This will ensure that there is no lumpy formation nor any fiber from the pulp remains in the juice. The pulp which remains is also very delicious. So instead of discarding it, you can just keep it in a separate bowl and have it later. As I have finished straining, you can see the clear yellow color of our favorite fruity. I will add chilled water to this now. I hope you all have found the recipe very useful and easy to make. You can now enjoy this at your home. It will get readied in hardly 15 minutes. Homemade mango fruity is free from any synthetic flavors and preservatives, so it is very safe to consume. You can drink directly, or if you want more chilled fruity, then refrigerate it for some time. Thank you for watching. We'll come again soon with another recipe. Stay tuned.